Good morning, YouTube land. How's it going today? It is Friday, a beautiful, beautiful Friday morning, I must add. Finally got some sunshine on this fall day, on this fall season. So anyway, oh, can you see me? I'm an angel. Wow. Sorry. I'm very easily amused. That's why I do YouTube videos. Anyway, going to mail my package off for Taco Stacks and his license plate, and then we're going to go down to the to my preferred scrapyard and ask them about these cables, because I did some more research since making the last video, and some people say that that copper wire in the middle is actually copper coated steel, so it is not worth much of anything. So that being said, we're going to go down, we're going to talk to my guys down there and get their take on it. If they tell me that it's useless, then I will probably stop picking up coax cable. So that's it. I want to mail Taco Stacks package now and then head on down to the scrapyard. There you go, Taco. Got a garage sale here. Let's go down and check it out real quick. In the picking life, scrapper life, junker life, whatever you want to call it, things change. Take a look at this. I stopped at a garage sale, and this woman opened up at 7:30. I just drove by, saw the sign, and I go there, and she looks kind of at me funny and says, well, I'm done. I'm closing down. It's 9:30. It's two and a half hours. She's closing already. She said she had just a ton of people come through, cleaned her out. She says, you can have whatever you want. And so I loaded up 3 chairs, which I know a lot of scrappers, a lot of pickers out there do flea market stuff, they don't like chairs, but I've been looking for chairs, and I'll tell you why in a second. Got 3 chairs, got a wooden plant, a wooden stand. I got stainless steel cooking pot, which is super clean. And then I got, she gave me, this was in a little box there, couldn't believe it. It's a lamp. She goes, I bought it for my husband. She goes, he used it once, he didn't like the style of it, so she threw that in for free too. And I'm like, she goes, all I ask of you is please just go down the street here and take my sign down for me so nobody else comes here. I'm like, absolutely. So anyway, yeah, so going back to the chairs, you get when you're in this business, and any scrapper picker will tell you, you get more plant holders, pots that you can shake a stick at if you want them. I mean, I leave them behind all the time, but I've got a few that were given to me for free, and I was going to do a Free Friday episode where I took a chair that I got for free and a planter I got for free, cut the hole in the chair, put the planter in it, and suddenly you've got yourself a $40, $50 item to sell at the flea market. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use those chairs for it, because they're pretty modern, but I do have some other things I can use those chairs for. So I'm just like, I'm pretty stoked right now to get something for free. I was crazy. She had her car half packed up. If I got in there 10 minutes earlier, it probably would have been even more stuff for me to choose from, but she was taking all that stuff to Goodwill already. Alright, anyway, down to the scrapyard. Okay, I am down at the scrapyard, and guess what I still have with me? The coax cable. Final verdict. It is worthless. So I take back all those bad things I said. It looks like copper on the inside. It is steel with a thin copper coating. The guys that work here, they couldn't wave me away fast enough, like, no, we don't want that shit. So anyway, the final verdict, if you're a dumpster diver and you see cable for cable TVs, coax cable, leave it behind. That's why it was not in the metal dumpster at that one place. Learned my lesson, paying for my education. Gotta do what you gotta do.
going pretty big. It's not nothing big like ours. Right. No. Really, I'll have to go try to fly.
The Golden Glove Company, looks like, I think, one softball. And then they got the black color one, that's World. Then there's a Wilson. Take a look, see what's there. That's cute. Are they any good?
Yes,
What's that? On the Easton is 1.20 official softball. Easton, weight wise, 28 ounces.
I thought the race was it. Nice.
That's pretty nice. But, isn't that like your old one?
Give me any ice.
I was saying, isn't that like your old one?
Yeah, I think it's some.
See all these in here?
No, I didn't. I'm glad you said that. You know, I didn't look at those. I thought, God dang, I've been spending so much money on records at places. I don't want to like them.
I know, and it's a sickness, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
That is pretty cool. I really like that. That means somebody left a bid. It reminds the auctioneer that somebody left a bid for this appliance. That was my dream car when I was a kid because of that round window. Whoops. Seen Taco Stack's got some of these magnetics. I need to grab some of those. Tis the season. Oh, check it out. Old Fire Chief 503.
No, she still didn't get her veterans of her mom, but not with her social security and dad's retirement. Because she still uses
Because they were spraying my yard.
and then that doesn't include
I had to do it.
pay for
One time I locked them in and they didn't show up and I couldn't call them and get them out. They never-
how we of the location. Well, she'll stay there all night. Yeah, I know that. But when it gets to that, if it will get that far, the mine's few.
You took care of all the time.
Because she really did really well. I was surprised.
Check this out. It's kind of cool. Joe Namath.
Other than they don't
Oh, you're
beat
fine.
them up and walk.
But that's all right.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just rolling.
Well,
All right.
What about Medicare coverage?
No, that's all right.
No, not for me. But for hers. But the respite care that she got was covered by
right.
Medicare.
Because I asked about
Okay, so you got to see what's at the auction tonight. Lots and lots of stuff. I have to go to a football game tonight. I should say I want to go to a football game tonight, and I do, but you know, I've got an auction addiction. It's a problem. I need a 10-step program. Anyway, so I left bids on a number of things, higher than usual bids, because I just have this feeling based on the people that we're previewing right now, there are going to be a lot of people there tonight. There's a lot of really nice stuff that I put a higher bid on because I need it for that business that I'm going to launch in January. So I'm probably not going to make it back tonight. I got a duplicate number in case I can go back and do the outside stuff, which is the stuff that always goes pretty cheap. But I will let you know on Monday how we fared, and hopefully we're going back Monday to pick up a bunch of stuff. So anyway, let's hope that's the way it goes. I'm going to go enjoy some football tonight. Peace out, and we will see you at the next dumpster. Later. Okay, so I'm heading back to the auction. I know I was just there on camera, but I had to go home. I had to get my wife to the football game. She's going to watch the sophomore game. I'm going back for the varsity game because my kid is a cheerleader. Excuse me. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the auction for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half, to try and get some of those outside lots that always sell pretty cheap. So I left bids on about 6 different items, a lot more aggressive bids than I did last time. So hopefully I will get something, and I will let you know on Monday how I did with the bids that I left behind, and then we'll also go through the stuff that I got tonight. So that being said, I will see you at the auction.
$50 on her now, make it 50, bid it 50. $50 on her now, make it 50. $50 on her now, make it 60. $50 on her now, make it 60, bid it 60. $50 on her now, make it 60, bid it 60. $50 on her now, make it 60. Wow, $60 on her now, 70. $70 on her now, 80. $70 on her now, make it 80, bid it 80. $70 on her now, make it 80, bid it 80. $70 on her now, make it 80. Sold for 70. Wow, goodbye.
Matthew's pass incomplete.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, YouTube world. How are you out there? Shane Man coming to you. I wanted to talk quickly about, I think I'm going to change my channel name. I have 10 subscribers, and I appreciate all of you, by the way. Thank you all for joining me. I have 10 subscribers, so I think I'm still early enough to do this. I was calling this channel Making Money Media. I think I'm going to change it to Shane Man TV, because when I type in Google, when you type in Making Money Media, you can imagine what comes up. Tons of ways to make money with media, and my YouTube channel is not coming up yet. So I'm going to change it to Shane Man TV. Is going to become the new logo or the new brand. I will also brand an Instagram account with that, and probably a Facebook page. I don't know. I think really that your YouTube and your Instagram account really kind of covers everything. I'm not sure if you really need a Facebook account anymore. Today is auction results day. We find out the bids that I left on Friday night. I know I'm being flushed out there because the sun is so bright. The bids that I left on Friday night, we will find out if I got anything or not. I know for sure I got two things, because I did go back to the auction for about an hour. I picked up some other stuff, cleaned up a couple rows, nothing too serious. But anyway, that being said, my gosh, hello, I'm burning up in the sun. Ah! Wow, that worked pretty good. Anyway, so we're going to head down to the auction house later on this afternoon to pick up what I got. I know I got a bike, and I know I got the double wash basin. I left bids on a box of tools. Oh, they had these kneelers, like for the church, praying kneelers, which I thought were pretty cool with the candle lighter things, which I found out those sell for 45 bucks a piece on the low end. So I wish I kind of would have left a more aggressive bid, but still, I don't think it's something people are going to want, so hopefully I got that. And seems like there was a couple other things I left bids on. Oh, that lamp, there was a lamp there with the big, well, you know, the guys that used to dive down below, they used to put those big heavy metal helmets on. That one lamp, that was pretty cool. I like that. I almost want to keep that. But anyway, so we will find out what we got. We will head down to the auction, and that will complete Friday's video that we started about going to the auction. So this was a nice box of tools. One of them, the big one there in the front, was marked Made in England. I left like a $25 bid on it, but I did not get this box of tools. This was 3 nesting tables. They were marked Made in Italy, kind of a gold yellow color. Very nice, and I got those for $12.50. This was a very cool lamp I was talking about. I got it for $7.50. I just love it. I think it's a great nautical piece. These are the matching pair of kneelers with the candle lighters and snuffers. Got a really nice deal on those for $12.50 for the pair. I think those are going to go great for the business that we're starting in January. And then I got this wash tub. It's perfect for what I need it for putting ice and drinks in, or it can also be used as a table, again, for the business that I'm going to be starting in January. But was real thrilled to get this. I had to pay 30 bucks for it, but it's totally worth it. And I also bought a bicycle on a stand that I'm really excited about. I only had to give $12.50 for it. I don't have a picture of that, but I will show that to you in the near future. So anyway, this is the results from Friday. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please also subscribe. And we have a lot more stuff coming your way as far as dumpster diving and garbage picking and auction buying. So hey, take care, have a great night, and we will see you at the next dumpster.